Kaboom. Kaboom.
Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier.
Oh, look at all these freaking flags down here.
Cash drop is inbound. Intercept and secure the cargo. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
And we only have to worry about going the entire length of the map.
It's a beautiful peeking in the mines. Oh no, why is this guy so much further than that?
Being tracked by an enemy team. Stay sharp.
It ain't me.
Are you guys gonna make it, or are you gonna have to land somewhere?
Oh, I'm still just floating above you waiting for you to grab this flag.
Right.
Same, so am I.
Have your drive. Proceed to the marked location and secure the area. Having the driver. Clear to engage all targets. Gas is moving. Proceed to the marked location
No,
and
it
secure
went
the
the other
area.
way.
Primary objective accomplished. Recon intel secure. Having the driver.
Where was that other flag? Oh, it's right here. Someone should stay here.
Where's it at?
Oh, no, it's still like over.
It's like right here.
I could see it on map right when you went over a little bit.
Oh yeah, I see it, yeah.
After this, and then after this, I'm about
Primary objective accomplished. Recon intel secured.
I found disc if you need it.
Proceed to the marked location and secure the area.
We're quick to the drive, and this last flag over here.
I'll show you fucking quick.
Oh, fuck. Same thing you just did.
What?
It's the same thing you did, is trying to go through there.
It looks good until you get in there.
Alright, drive over here, girls. We might be able to get this done. It's gonna be close.
Oh my god, you are
Objective
correct.
updated. Secure that position. Contract complete. Recon intel
Have your
secured.
drive.
Oh no, boy.
I think we just,
What the fuck?
just drive and drive forward.
Did it get covered?
Evaded the enemy
Yeah.
track. Good
Yeah.
work.
You just get it.
Dom!
Having that passenger.
Alright, do we go for it? I think we go for it. They don't have lockable missiles this time.
I ain't never hit a woman before, Matt, but don't make me start.
Oh, that's
Support the contract.
Alright, is it a peak game like I had guessed?
Nope, not even close.
Signature building
Oh,
game
wait,
now.
we got a person right here flying in.
Read map.
Oh, he's way down there now.
That's on my left.
Yeah, go to my home page and this one.
Oh, Aerie.
What?
Enemy contact.
You don't beat your what?
I thought that's all the rage these days.
Just because he thought he never hit a
You don't get the normal days.
Proceed to the marked location and secure the area.
Divide and support.
I got shotgun.
Chopper's got the most one.
Alright, let's capture this and then we'll go after him. We love chopper battles here, right?
100%.
Recon intel secured. Solid
Gave
work.
me a seat.
Oh, well, let me in. There we go.
I'll ride along.
Where's this nerd at? Oh, this man's about to
Oh, he jumped. Oh, wait, no, he didn't. I lied.
Loadout drop inbound.
Oh, what a fool.
Are we really doing this right now?
That's his team.
I think so.
Oh, I'm about to die. Literally no armor. About to die.
Here we are, girls. It's looking like it's gonna be our signature building game right here.
Might have what you need.
You get it?
Really? Should we go for one more?
If there's one that's not terrible, yeah, that one right there is gonna be perfect.
I will fly. I will ride along. This thing's all fucking dead.
Guy on the roof right above you.
Let's move.
Oh my god, that was
I
just...
see red mist. Are you sure there's someone up there? All I see is red mist everywhere.
Body armor here.
Girls, look at this flag.
Somebody's loadout
Ride
right
and
here.
support.
Divide and support.
I'll stay here.
Unless it takes a drastic shift, I think that note is definitely going to be away. This is going to take it across this little ravine here and go.
Proceed to the marked location and secure the area.
What do I know? Nothing.
I'll divide passenger.
Divide and support.
Oh no, bunch of shot back at drills.
Dude, what if it's a tower game? Look at that little tower right there. You're telling me that's not a little seductive tower? Little sexy ass tower right there?
It is, but I think that one you'd be seen even if you were laying down. I think that would be Buns. They call that Buns Tower. Ooh, some cash here nobody saw. Love that for me.
Oh my goodness, it's a tower game.
Oh my god, it is those buildings.
Well, let's go use this buy real fast and get back over there.
Come, I can fly.
I'll be right in support.
I'll be right past my sir.
I got shotgun.
Then back
I
here.
mean, that's not the worst, because Brock in this area seems like it would be trash.
Is it tower near?
No, it's not. It's
No.
gonna be the buildings.
Drop extra cash.
Cash on the ground.
Do we need anything else? Do we need munitions?
I mean, we might as well take something with us if we don't have one.
Let's just take that building over there.
Come, I can fly.
Is everyone holding something?
I'll be
Yeah,
right past
there we go.
I got shotgun.
Okay, I got the only thing we need.
So we're gonna have to take this part right here and then move.
Recon.
Is it dog shit? Isn't really anything.
The tower's horrible. You could streak. The only thing we'd have to all be ghosted. We didn't have money to switch. I mean, right here is not the
Oh my
worst.
god, this building is dog shit.
And then we gotta be in this one for now. and then
All
we'll
these
do
buildings
the
are dog shit.
Whoa, like butt cheeks.
Setting
Alright, who's got Rockwets for father?
Nope.
Yes, sir.
Gas is inbound.
Soldier, you
Marking
better
new
get in our
safe
building.
zone.
It's not safe over there. We'll go for that back to back.
Ooh,
I found this if you need it.
I'm gonna go get that right now.
I'll go get it.
Oh, some unlooted boxes over here too?
Bounty target is up. Let's get it done.
Bounty
Upstairs.
target is down.
Gotta be outside. Oh, that's probably on the roof of this thing. Fuck that, I'm not going out
Pass on
there.
my list.
No, it's on the.
Yeah.
Oh, I see, yep.
So how the fuck you get out of there?
Ooh,
You'd
that's
have
more
to go
money
around
for
and up
girls.
anyway.
You literally have to climb up this freaking ladder right here.
Yeah.
Gas
The
on
death
my list.
ladder. Oh, this man got out of his truck right here.
There is a vehicle here.
The vehicle.
Losing ground.
We are inside the circle.
So
Vendor
what's
here.
our ways up?
Might have what you
Door,
need.
ladder,
And all these windows.
door.
Basically, anything you can see out of.
Window,
They can come in.
window, door, ladder. Like,
I mean, they really can't come in these windows, but there's a door right here with the Betty,
Wait,
and then there's this door right here. And they
That's
could,
on
in
my
theory,
list.
fly onto us and
Bounty
come through.
target is down.
Away,
Oh,
girls.
Easy money.
we go buy something?
I ain't leaving this room.
Third zone.
If that chopper was more
I'll go get us a
more
load.
healthy, I would be tempted.
Yeah, that chopper's not even worth it.
One
In
shot, so.
fact, I'm about to shoot it, so you're not even tempted.
How nice.
Look at that. That was like 3 bullets.
Damn, that bitch was 2 shots.
Chopper, thank you, we love you. Dang, the due date is February 7th, and Lizzie's birthday is the 3rd.
I want to get on these freaking bookshelves.
Why would you have a child?
What bookshelves? These ones?
These right, or these
Is that
right
what I'm
here.
talking about?
Move up.
Oh, well, you need a trash can like on this side.
I need a
Can you
deployable
jump up here,
cover.
right? You can jump up here from this trash can, and then when you get up there, you crouch.
Yep. I need a deployable cover to get up here. Instead, all I have is this stupid trophy
You need to
system.
stop glitching and you're gonna get us kicked in the game. Stop hacking glitching.
Want some action?
Oh no. Well,
Ooh, at least I have 18 damage. I don't know where that's
at
from.
least there's not gonna be a buy to use at the end.
Yeah.
It's gonna be us and whoever's left. No one is allowed to die. Are these hacker numbers 30 people?
Are we gonna try and move into this building, or what are we gonna try and do?
I don't know. I thought we were just gonna
I'm moving.
sit in this corner and hope it comes all the way back to us.
That's outside.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe
Oh, we
zone.
could do a flag.
See where it goes.
Right across the way.
What if it comes to our building?
Supply.
Oh, yes, queens.
Roostog, baby. There's definitely
Move
one
to the
box.
next
Oh,
area.
look at that.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Right on our roof.
Grenade out!
Movement!
I mean,
I think he was gonna come land and get that flag just for money. Poor soul.
Enemy UAV
Up
overhead.
the mountain, up the mountain, up the mountain, up the mountain.
Oh yeah.
Straight southeast.
I got one broken.
We are inside the circle. Get ready for
We'll
incoming.
get some plates out of this place.
He's right down bottom floor, bottom floor.
Work.
Of us?
Our building?
I think he's right there. He tried to come down, jump down on y'all.
That little stinker.
Oh, I got sniped from across the way.
Enemy team is tracking your position.
He just jumped down. We're back on the roof again. Probably gonna go back up on the roof and try and jump down again to watch the windows.
There, girls. It's funny business.
Dude, I can't believe I didn't get that guy when he was flying in. It would have been an easy kill because he would have fallen to his death.
Do we have any more rocklets?
He's shooting me.
I wonder if that's sus at all.
He's in the pipe glitch. He's in the glitch in the wall. He's in that big pipe that I was standing next to.
What the
Down
fuck?
low. Yep. He's inside of it. I was wondering where the
Teammate
fucking
has
bullets were
entered the
coming
gulag.
from.
Surviving earns them redeployment.
I wonder if you can get out of it. Terrifying.
Yeah, that is.
Your teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
You're gonna have to try and land maybe the side door. I'm gonna open it for you right here.
Looted. Someone was here.
He's in there with you guys.
Yeah, I actually,
Watching the door.
I don't know where he came from either.
Inbound. Marking new safe zone.
he climbed the ladder like as.
That's so awful.
Try going to this building. There's gonna be dudes in that building.
Guy right here. I can't peek anymore.
Where is that? Is that on the roof over there or what?
I'm not sure.
Oh, he is. I was out of ammo. Get out of here. I had 3 bullets in that gun.
Enemy precision airstrike. Take cover.
Do we have more?
Are you serious?
Dude, this guy's a greatest shot ever. Are you able to see the bridge so that it doesn't come from behind me?
A little bit.
Alright.
He was on the roof, though, above the bridge is the problem. So he could, in theory, run across the top. Where is that? Oh.
SMG. Gas on my left. Gas on my left. Enemy movement!
Okay, so that's
Gas on my
out of
left.
zone.
I still can't believe that timing, dude. That was disgusting.
He came up. So he came up the ladder that we had on the door open. Like
Yeah,
where?
I shot my rocket
Oh.
where Alex was landing. So when I realized there was a guy there, I was reloading my rocket.
Oh
Because I
my!
thought he was yelling that there was somebody on the
Gas is
ladder.
inbound. Marking new safe
outside.
zone.
He was literally just, he came up that ladder.
All right. Well, the bridge is closed.
Got a loadout drop inbound.
In this building, he was in the window.
Let's move.
I had him broken. I can't believe I didn't get the full kill on him, dude. Disgusted.
Contact!
He's in the tower, I think. I think there's somebody
Gas
in
is
the tower.
closing in.
Come. We move to the safe zone.
I got shot from
He is. He's all the way up top. He's all the way up top tower.
Oh yeah, he is.
Someone's right below us.
He was...
Oh, I'm completely out of plates now. Two guys tower. No.
Stand up!
Do I streak tower and get those kids off?
I don't know. I think they might help us out, honestly.
Does anyone have spare
We
plates
just
at
take the
all?
building.
I have 0 plate.
They're literally in the building right next to us.
Yeah. We don't even have to take it, we can just sit up here.
I'm gonna go around the back. There's a corner right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I like this.
Less than 10 enemies remain.
Dude, it's
2 teams and it's 4-3, so we can just let them fight.
one of them is definitely the tower team. They're flying right now. They're just jumping off.
Let's see what happens.
One of them landed in here.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
No plate.
Movement!
Streak left and just go left, right? Or is it? Oh,
There's a guy in the building on us.
dude. Where is he?
Only 4 enemies remain.
Alright.
You know what to do.
2v...
3v2.
3v2. Where are they so I can streak them?
He's in the building. I'm.
They're
Or wait, are you in the building?
I'm in the building, yeah.
You guys have no plate.
Straight ahead of, on the other side of the tower.
He's sniping right here,
Target
I'm
is marked.
streaking it.
Go for
Allied
strike.
cluster strike inbound.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound.
Right in the middle, right here, right here. You're okay.
Broken. Absolutely cracked. Pushing hard left still.
Friendly precision airstrike
Yeah.
inbound.
He might be. No hits.
Dude, I should be right behind this guy.
He's behind me.
Up in the
Here on the
rock,
road.
moving.
Not all the way up there.
I will
Yeah, I'm
drive.
gonna say, get this guy.
He's still there.
I threw the truck at him.
I didn't even see him go that way.
Dude, I don't know how he got that far over there.
Fuck that.
We're going. Hey, girls, guess where we're going? Back to back. We're going to the back-to-back shack.
I know all you guys play is Call of Duty, but have you heard of a game called Rogue Company?
No.
Why is it going under? Has no one bought it?
It's free to play, but it's kind of like a mixture of Apex and like Search and Destroy almost. It's really fun. I don't think it's super fun. And it's super ratty too. Like, it's